We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this video game series, as well as how to say more interesting names and often mispronounced names from gaming as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is a simulation racing game for Xbox consoles. This is a word from Italian, meaning force in Italian. For reference, in Italian this is said as forza. Forza. Therefore, in English it is to be said as forza, forza, rather than forza. At least if you want to, follow the Italian roots of the word. Forza. From Italian, forza. Forza motorsport. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.